This is Team Trivial's video demo for CS411 Spring 2015 final project. For this project, we built a website that allows users to play trivia games individually or in teams. This website has 7 main functionalities. Each corresponds to a tab at the top of the page. So our first tab is Users. In this tab, we can sign up, search for, and delete users. So for testing purposes, let's make a test user. And the password I'll just set to 1 for simplicity. Sign up. So the user is now signed up. So we can search for him by username, and find should return the user's email. So this is correct behavior. Okay, let's try to delete him. So user deleted. So if we try to find him again, it will return that no such user exists, which is also correct. So we're gonna need him later, so I'm gonna sign him up again. He's signed up. Let's try to find him. Okay, so he's back in the system. I'm gonna make another user. Let's try to find Jerry. Now Jerry is also in the system. So now we have 2 test users, and let's make teams with them. So that's our next step, teams. In this one you can create, search, and leave teams. So let's make a team. Let's call it red, and we'll put Tom in there. Okay, team red created. Now if we search for Tom's team, it should return red. Okay. And let's try to make Tom leave team red. So if we search for Tom's team again, it should return nothing. Yes. Okay, so we need to put him back in the team. And if we search for Tom's team again, it should return red. Yes. Now let's make a team for Jerry. Let's call it blue. Create team. Team blue created. And let's check for Jerry's team, which should be blue. Okay. At this point we have 2 teams, red and blue, with Tom and Jerry in them. Our next tab is matches. Any 2 teams can engage in a match. Matches are created in this tab. Drop-down menus are implemented to select competing teams. Additionally, users can view current and past match winners at the bottom of this page. Okay, so let's make a match. Red versus blue. Number of questions. Doesn't really matter, just make it 10. Now we create match, and red versus blue is in the system. Our next tab is rankings. So this one shows leaderboards. There are 2 leaderboards, one for individual players and one for teams. So as you see, the players are ranked by their MMR. This entire MMR infrastructure is our first advanced feature. The MMR is determined by ELO algorithm and can only be affected by in-game performance of a user. And team MMRs are just averages of user MMRs. Alright, so next functionality is add question. So in this tab, users can add their own custom multiple choice or short answer questions, and they can be put into one of these subjects, which are biology, chemistry, earth and space science, energy, general, math, and physics. So let's try to make a custom question. Okay, biology, and let's make a short answer question, which is gonna be, what color is human blood? The answer is red. It's biology, right? Yes. Add question to the system. Okay, short answer added. So in the find question tab, users can actually search for questions. This is our second advanced feature, and as you see, the search parameters include the subject, the type, multiple choice or short answer, and a keyword. So let's try to find the question we just added earlier. So was subject was biology, was short answer, and the keyword, say, blood. To be sure our question shows up, we'll select 10 find questions. Alright, so as you see, the question we added earlier is in the system, and we can actually search for it. Yeah. So let's go on to the last tab, which is play. So in this one, users can log in and play the matches. So let's log in as, it's username, yes, Tom, password 1. Let's answer a few questions. We'll log in and start answering questions. In a flame test for lithium, sodium, I actually have no idea what the answer is. I'll just type whatever, submit, and it's incorrect. And hypothetically, in this situation, Tom's MMR should go down. We can actually check for it. The base one is 500, and now Tom has dropped to 426. So that's it.